really quickly here. Mullen closing today at 11 cents, right? Closing the trading day at 11 cents. Again, the most heavily traded stock on the market, which should come as no surprise here. Overall on the day, however, for Mullen, we're looking at down around 12.5% here. It's been a rough, I would say, close to 24 hours here for Mullen, especially for their holders. For anyone that was hoping for, a no vote, or I guess a no on the proposal 3 for the reverse split, right? It's come out. Financial Journey YouTuber and Twitter on, I think, Financial Journey. He put out yesterday a tweet saying that he spoke with David Mickery, and he says that proposal 3 has passed. And I talked about it in yesterday's video that, in hearing kind of the announcement being made, you couldn't really hear the specific, what was specifically said, right? Like, you can hear this clip, and you can see this tweet here. Pause this video real quick. I'm gonna play it for you guys. So please listen to this audio. Do you hear anything that says proposal 3 passed? There is clearer sellings. Thanks, Mickery. And obviously, we don't know for sure as far as just what was actually said. Play this clip for you guys real quick. If I can turn up my sound, you guys should be able to hear this.
Proposal number 3. Votes cast for the reverse stock split described in proposal 3 by the holders of common stock, Series A preferred stock, and Series C preferred stock being on an as converted to common stock basis, presented by proxy and entitled to vote thereon, all voting together as a single class, exceed the votes against proposal 3. Therefore, proposal 3 has been. 4. Proposal number 3.
See, to me, and again, I'm not a holder of Mullen, I'm listening to that audio, and if I'm a holder of Mullen and I voted no on proposal 3, I'd be very upset. Just full transparency with you guys. I would be super upset, and I'm sure many of you guys that did vote on that, are upset. I think if you voted either way, for there to not be specific clarity and for the sound to kind of cut out at that specific time is a little bit weird to me. So, let's just get into this update video. Specifically, I wanted to talk about a few things. So, people are coming at David Mickery here. If you wanted to actually regain compliance organically, it's pretty simple. As a long holder and supporter, you definitely don't breed confidence and raise many doubts. And here's just a clip. Here's a screenshot, right? This is before the reverse split, or when there was speculation of no reverse split, and then after there was announced there was going to be a reverse split, right? It was running up yesterday. Mullen did have a nice little run up yesterday, on speculation that there was maybe going to be no reverse split here. We take a look at the 5 days. We look at the run up here. Mullen was up to 17 cents at some point yesterday. As soon as the meeting ends, we found out there's going to be a reverse split. The stock officially tanks after that. So, this tweet really speaks volumes to kind of what was the reaction and what, hopefully David Mickery, I think obviously being the CEO can stop a reverse split, right? If whether I think it was voted yes or no, I'm not really sure how that works. But you can hear by that clip, there's definitely some weird things going on here. Here is a letter to BOD on Mullen, David Mickery. Anyone who wants to send their own letter, please do it. Tell them what you feel like you need to do. I'm not going to read through this whole letter here, but like I said, people are very, very upset about this. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are too, and let me know what you guys think the outcome of this is, because I think for anyone that voted anyone that voted no on proposal 3, I feel like you have somewhat of a very good reason to be upset about this. But as far as some good news goes, there was some good news to talk about with Mullen today. They've begun production this month. The company announced in mid-July transfer EV1 cargo vans, like I've talked about in the previous video, to plants in Indiana and Mississippi for final assembly pursuant to customer orders. Mullen said over 350 Class 1 vehicles were transferred to Tunica. So production, it looks like, has begun, and you can see by this tweet here, I believe. Mullen tweets out today, or yesterday, at 6:51. Weird timing for this tweet. August is a busy month at our Tunica, Mississippi plant. Our Mullen Class 3 EV cargo van, cab, full-wheel drive production in action. And you can talk about, shame on you for scamming people with these AI pictures and stock pictures. Mullen is a scam. Don't put your dime in this garbage. And then there's the FUD and the Bears and the Bulls, right? And then you can see here. I mean, these are pictures like from Google, which is pretty crazy. I mean, I don't know if these, I don't know the validity of these, but this is crazy, guys. This is crazy that if Mullen's putting out an actual tweet saying this, that they, and these aren't actual pictures from the Mullen plant. Like, I don't see anything that would identify anyone in this video, in this picture. I mean, this looks like a Mullen EV. This looks like the Mullen truck, the EB1 cab. So I don't know. It just goes to show you guys how upset people are, and I mean, these tweets are getting a ton of views, right? Shame on you, scammer. Things like that. So very interesting times here for Mullen. Again, some other good news. They filed VIN information with NHTSA. Model year starts in 2023. So I guess that, or Bollinger Motors, sorry, did. Not Mullen. Obviously, Mullen has a stake in Bollinger Motors. So again, a ton of interesting stuff here going on with this stock. It's absolutely crazy, the amount of trading volume and just the overall just stuff that's happening with Mullen, you guys. It's pretty insane. For me, I got out of my position on Mullen about 2 months ago, and I'm definitely glad I did. I mean, I'm interested in this stock very much so, but for me to not have a position is kind of giving me a different perspective, specifically on this Mullen stock. So again, let me know in the comments below. I want to reiterate, I'm not telling anyone to purchase Mullen, not saying buy Mullen or put it on your watch list, just covering the stock because of the significant interest in it. So let me know in the comments below. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.